Hello! In this video I will be reviewing the RAVI indicator, or the Range Action Verification Index, on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify trends and also allows us to better recognize the ranging zones of the market. This indicator consists of a purple line, which is the main line of the indicator. When this line has positive values above zero, it indicates an upward trend. And when the line has negative values or is below zero.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
It indicates a downward trend. We can also use this indicator to gauge the strength of the trend. The higher the value of this indicator, the stronger the trend. For example, here we have a strong upward trend. But in these areas where the value is only slightly below zero and moving toward the negative, we have a weak downward trend. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. This indicator uses two moving averages in its calculations, and here we can adjust their settings. The first option is for the type of the first moving average, which we can select from these options. The next option is for the period of the moving average, which we can select. The following option is for the type of the second moving average, and the next one is for its period, which we can also choose. The next option is the price on which the calculations are performed, and finally, the last option is the shift to the right, which we can also set. You can also use the MP4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.